In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell on Amazon.de. To get started, the first thing you need to do is visit Amazon.de and check whether you're eligible to sell there. More specifically, head to the Amazon seller website and review the requirements for selling in Germany and across Europe. This is important because Amazon may ask for certain business and tax details depending on your situation. Before creating your account, make sure you have a valid ID, a bank account, a credit card, your business information if applicable, and your tax information ready. Having these prepared in advance will make the setup process much smoother. Next, go to Amazon Seller Central Germany and click Sign Up. You can log in with an existing Amazon account or create a new one if needed. During registration, Amazon will ask you to enter your business name, contact details, seller information, and payment details. Take your time here and make sure everything is accurate because errors can delay approval or verification later on. After that, choose your selling plan. Amazon typically offers an individual plan for occasional sellers and a professional plan for those who expect to sell regularly or at higher volume. The right choice depends on how often you plan to sell and how serious you are about building a business on the platform. Once your account is created, you'll need to complete seller verification. This usually means submitting the required information, confirming your identity, and providing documents if Amazon requests them. These can include a government-issued ID, proof of address, business documents, and bank details. This step is a normal part of the onboarding process, so don't be concerned if Amazon asks for additional verification. Now it's time to decide what products to sell. Research profitable options carefully and look at customer demand, competition, product restrictions, and Amazon fees. You'll also want to decide what type of products fit your business model, whether that's your own products, wholesale items, private label products, or handmade goods. When you're ready, log into Seller Central and click Add a Product. Enter your product title, description, images, price, category, and keywords. A well-optimized listing can help customers find your product more easily in Amazon search results, so make sure your information is clear and complete. The next step is choosing a fulfillment method. With Fulfillment by Amazon or FBA, you send your products to Amazon warehouses and Amazon handles storage, packing, shipping, and customer service. With Fulfillment by Merchant or FBM, you store and ship products yourself and manage customer service and returns on your own. Finally, set your price and inventory, enter shipping details if you're using FBM, and publish your listing. From there, monitor your Seller Central dashboard, process orders, respond to customer messages, and keep an eye on stock levels. As sales come in, Amazon will transfer your earnings to your registered bank account, and you can review your sales reports, fees, refunds, and payouts to track performance.